Hi friends,
Hi,
good evening.
very good evening.
How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am also good. I am Triveni. I am pursuing degree final year in Krishna Chaitanya Degree College. I am from Ratnaswar. Today my topic is looking at mirror. Uh, all employees goes to office and see the advice on the door. It was written by yesterday the person passed away on hindering your growth and company itself. When we inviting funeral day, that has been gym room and beginning everyone shared them person passed away and their colleagues also and when we, sorry, everyone